guys, what's up? How's everyone? And for today's video, it's all about how to transfer a music that you downloaded from YouTube library from phone to phone. And here it go. What's this?
How to transfer your audio or music that you downloaded from YouTube library that is now registered in your phone. So now the main point is how to transfer your music from phone to phone, and here I'm going to show you. Simply go to your files, click these files here. Let's click that, and okay, you're now here, and just click audio here, this audio, click audio, and okay, and the music that you downloaded from YouTube library, click this music here. And I just downloaded music from YouTube library, which is Beach Walk, this one. So how are you gonna transfer this? Since there's no option here, share or transfer, what you're gonna do is just press long, just do this, okay? Then release, click the share above here. Okay, so wait a minute, I'm going to on the Bluetooth to my other phone. Okay, it's already on here. Okay, it's working. And okay, and definitely you're gonna just click the Bluetooth here, down here, click this Bluetooth, and now it's started working out. Just click this Vivo, I'm gonna accept here from my other phone. Okay, now it's working out. See, it's sending. I'll show you. See, now it's sending Beach Walk. This is MP3. So let's just wait for a few minutes. This will take time, so you just need a patience. Here we go. It's now 6:11 p.m. here, and let's see how long it takes to transfer this data from phone to phone. It's 6:12 p.m. Just wait for another few minutes. It's almost. Here we go, it's almost 6:13 p.m. So that's it. Almost. That's it. File sent. That's very easy and very simple. Just go direct to your files and click the music that you wanted to share from phone to phone. As simple as that.
So that's it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more videos. And if you have any question regarding this video, you can leave a message in the comment section down below. See ya!